Good day, YouTubers. My name is Murasei. Welcome to my channel. And on this video, this is part 3 of running PVC pipes outside with my air compressor. So let me show you what have I done so far, and I tested already. So I've tested already and it's really worked fine. There was no air leaks around here whatsoever. Everything was going pressurized when this thing was locked. When I opened it, it released the air outside, which is wonderful. Yep, it's wonderful. So we'll keep it posted. So we will continue on running this pipe from here, going down this way. So we'll be going here, and then we'll go down, and then we're going that way to fit through right here behind this pipe here. So we're going to run in this way at least, as you can see. Like so, it goes the other way like that. And then we'll end up here. And as we put the attachment here, which is I'm going to show you, using this piece right here. So I'll be inserting this piece with this final attachment, and I'll be using this pipe. Well, anyway, it's this end I'll be using, and also I'll be using the PVC pipe with a threaded type, a coupling and threaded type going on this end, and then that'll be the finalized. So just follow me along on this video. So I'll be cutting about 2 feet of pipe. Yeah. I'll make my mark right here, where about an A is. See the letter A? So I'll make my marks there. Just cut it. Yeah, I'm gonna go cut this pipe right now. Okay, so far I cut the pipe here, so now I'm gonna insert in here and here. And we're gonna run some new ones to go. Just hold for now. So far I got this one in right now. So see, it's progressing here to this point. So now the next step is I'm gonna run a 45-degree, and then it goes down here, and then going this way through this pipe right there. You'll see in a minute. Alright, so my next step I'll be running a 45-degree couplings, which is how it looks like. So it's going to be something like this going down here, and then there'll be a pipe going here like that, and then next 45-degree we're going this way, so it's going to come in like a Z and then go straight out that way. Alright, so far this is how it looks like now. So we have a pipe, I have a coming out right here to 45 degrees, one right here, coming down with a straight pipe, and I'm going the other direction, which is going that way. In my next step, I'm going to installing those brackets to hold those PVC pipes in place. I got some holes here with some concrete bit, and I'm going to use some top cons to hold it in place. Alright, so I have my hammer drill here with me with my concrete drill bit. I'll be drilling through here on this mark right here. So this is the screw I'll be using. It's a top con with a star head. This is a bit I'm gonna use with my impact drill bit. So actually what's gonna happen is this will insert here. So now I'm gonna drill in the bit, the screw inside the wall. So you can see we have one bracket in, so now it's going from here to here. So now I can run a pipe from here and while holding this one over there. I will use this up here or this wafer sweeper to hold the pipe from me by screwing the other end of the pipe from this 45-degree coupling. Anyway, as you can see, I already run the pipe from here, all with the bracket, 45-degree elbow, another pipe going down, another 45-degree elbow, and now it's going straight that way. This is where it is going to end, right here, which is good. I think this is all we need here. So my next step now is to run some brackets. So run a couple of brackets using these. Using these brackets, one here, and then another one here in the middle, and then a third one here, or from the side right here. So we're gonna do 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. It's the same procedure as doing this one. You drill a hole and then use the top con screw, and that's about it. That's it, and then keep going forward this way. Alright, so I inserted a coupler in because I'm going to be installing this piece of pipe here with this threaded coupling style. So this is my final end. I already put the primer on it. This one has a thread type, so we could screw in this first. So this one will be screwing first, and then followed by this one. I'll be using the yellow Teflon tape, but first things first, I gotta clean up all this behind here. Clean up well, and then install it all together for this. And then once we install everything together, we'll be installing right in here, like so. So as you can see, I went to Home Depot and bought a new one, like a coupling with a threaded side, because the other one I had was not good. So I put a yellow Teflon tape and insert the yellow bushing. So now I'm gonna do the other one on the air hose coupling. And this is the tape I'm using. This is a yellow thread tape. This is really nice. I prefer the yellow one better over the white one. And this is why I'm going to install this coupling right here. And as you can see, I wrap the yellow thread tape around this coupling, counterclockwise. And this is how I do it. Alright, so now this is the finished project. I mean product, not project, because the project is not done. The product is done. So this is the result here. So now I'm running a piece of pipe, which is this one here, and I'm gonna stick it to this end, and then we'll do the final installation on the other side. Here we go, and now this is the final project. This project is complete. The only thing left now to do is to install more of those brackets so you can hold everything together. So I'll be putting one here and the next one here. So I'll install two of them. And now guys, ladies and gentlemen, this project is complete. So this is the end right here. The coupling, we have all this installed, brackets holding up the pipes. Coming down this way, going up in a 45-degree, and not 45-degree. We have an elbow coming in here. From this side, going down, there is a shut-off valve. We have one here and here. We'll install to the air compressor. And that's a wrap, folks. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Next video, we'll show you the installation of the air holes outside, and we'll test it out next week. Hopefully, we'll run this video next week, hopefully. Anyway, you guys, take care and have a wonderful day. God bless you all.